This is the Torq10fx from Chemical Brothers that just came in. I'm unboxing it now. This particular kit I ordered comes with 3 pads. You have a cutting pad, polishing pad, and a finishing pad. A spare attachment and some samples, what it looks like of some of the Chemical Brothers compounds that they have there. I haven't tried any of this out yet. I haven't tried any of their products out yet. In fact, this car was actually just polished last week and I haven't really driven it since. It's just been sitting here. If you're not familiar with my Evo, it's probably because I haven't made too many videos about it, or at least videos where I talk about it. So we're unboxing the 10fx. Looks like tooling and a manual. Optional handle. And here's the machine itself. Wrapped, it comes with a 5-inch Velcro pad. You have to forgive me, I'm filming this with a GoPro Hero 4 with one hand. Just a typical DIYer out here, showing you something that I purchased. Has a digital display. You can see how wet the floors are down here in Florida in February. We do have humid days. So let's plug her in. So here we have it plugged in. Here's the device. Just going to show you turning it on in operation. So you turn it on. And it looks like you have adjustable settings here. I'm going to take a wild guess and say that this number represents the RPM. It goes between, the label says 1500 to 4200, so I'm guessing the 15 means 1500 RPM being the lowest setting and going up from there. So this is actually how you start it. And it does have a slow start to it, what it seems like. If you're just trying to spread your compound. So that's really all for tonight. Just wanted to unbox all this, show you all kind of what you get. I'll be experimenting with all this here probably this weekend or so. Alright, stay tuned.